Canva is a game changer for anyone stepping into the world of digital marketing. It's an intuitive design platform that allows you to create stunning visuals without needing a degree in graphic design. Imagine having access to thousands of templates for social media posts, presentations, and even infographics, all at your fingertips. This is especially valuable for beginners who might feel overwhelmed by the technical aspects of design. Let's talk about how to leverage Canva for your digital marketing efforts. First, consistency is key. When you're building a brand, you want your visuals to reflect your identity. Canva allows you to create a brand kit where you can store your logos, color palettes, and fonts. This means every time you create a new piece of content, you can easily maintain that cohesive look that makes your brand recognizable. Now think about social media. Each platform has its own dimensions and style. With Canva, you can select the specific template for Instagram posts, Facebook covers, or LinkedIn banners. This saves you time and ensures that your content looks professional. Plus, you can easily resize designs with just a click, which is a huge time saver. Another powerful feature is the ability to collaborate with team members. If you're working with a group, you can share your designs and get real-time feedback. This is particularly useful for digital marketing campaigns where input from different perspectives can enhance the final product. You can comment directly on the design, making communication seamless. Now let's dive into some practical tips. When creating visuals, always keep your audience in mind. What do they like? What resonates with them? Use Canva's extensive library of stock photos and illustrations to find images that speak to your target demographic. Remember, visuals are often the first thing people notice, so make them count. Also, don't underestimate the power of infographics. They're a fantastic way to present complex information in a digestible format. Canva has a range of infographic templates that can help you convey your message clearly and attractively. This is especially useful in digital marketing, where you want to grab attention quickly. And let's not forget about video content. Canva has recently expanded its capabilities to include video editing. You can create short promotional videos or animated graphics that can be shared across your social media channels. This is a great way to engage your audience and keep them interested in your brand. Finally, always analyze your results. After you've created and shared your content, use analytics tools to see what works and what doesn't. This will help you refine your approach and create even better content in the future. Canva makes it easy to edit and update your designs based on feedback and performance metrics. In summary, Canva is an invaluable tool for beginners in digital marketing. It simplifies the design process, enhances collaboration, and allows you to create visually appealing content that resonates with your audience. Embrace this platform, experiment with its features, and watch your digital marketing efforts flourish.